Hey everyone, we're going to be talking about the lymphatic system today. The lymphatic system is a network including countless tissues, organs, and vessels in the human body. They transport a colorless fluid known as lymph. This system is a critical component of both the circulatory and immune system. Main components of the lymphatic system include lymphatic vessels, which include lymph capillaries and lymph ducts, and lymph organs, which include thymus, tonsils, and spleen. Lymph is colorless fluid that is composed of white blood cells and chyle, which is produced by the intestines. It flows through lymphatic system via lymph vessels and nodes, and it returns interstitial fluid, which is fluid between tissue cells, fats, and proteins to the circulatory system, which is known as the bloodstream, thus maintaining volume.
The lymphatic vessels are a complex network of tubes and capillaries that carry lymph fluid throughout the body in a way similar to how blood vessels transport blood. Lymphatic vessels serve as the entrance point to the lymphatic system for both interstitial fluid and immune cells. Lymph vessels are able to transport lymph fluid under low pressure caused by smooth muscle movements in the body. Valves within the vessels maintain the direction of fluid flow. This is a diagram of a lymphatic vessel. As you can see, the vessels are lined with endothelial cells and are emerged from separate lymphatic capillaries. The lymph ducts are especially large lymphatic vessels, located just above the human heart. Their purpose is to return interstitial fluid and immune cells to the bloodstream, as the lymph ducts are directly connected to the veins. There are two lymph ducts in the human body, the right lymphatic duct and the thoracic duct. Each drains lymph fluid from separate regions of the body. Several organs are involved with the critical tasks conducted by the lymphatic system. More than 500 lymph nodes filter lymph fluid for harmful substances, with each node containing immune cells to eliminate foreign invaders. These lymph nodes will swell during infection from bacteria or viruses. The spleen removes old or damaged cells from the body and controls the amount of blood cells in circulation, while storing lymphocytes, macrophages, and platelets to fight future infections. The thymus is a lymphoid organ that produces T lymphocytes for the immune defense system. The tonsils are small masses of lymph tissue located on the throat, which contain white blood cells to eliminate bacteria entering via the mouth or nose. The lymphatic system serves multiple essential functions within the human body, including maintaining the overall volume of fluid within the body, responding to threats against the body from foreign invaders, transporting fats from the digestive system, and removing waste products from the body. To maintain constant fluid levels within the body, the lymphatic system collects excess interstitial fluid from throughout the body and returns it to the circulatory system, where such fluid is recirculated. This excess fluid is drained from cells and tissue or leaked from blood vessels. Lymphatic vessels and capillaries are able to absorb this fluid and transport it back to the bloodstream, preventing it from being lost completely.
Another function of the lymphatic system is its immune response. It produces and distributes immune cells, which include lymphocytes, monocytes, and plasma cells, which are antibody-producing cells. It acts as the first line of defense against diseases. The lymphatic system is the first system to be signaled upon contact with diseases or infections. It organizes an appropriate reaction to infection. Lymph fluid is also constantly filtered for bacteria. Here you can see a lymphocyte. Antigens, which are foreign substances, induce an immune response from the body via antibodies, as seen in the picture. When the lymphatic system comes into contact with antigens, antibodies are produced, thus inducing an immune response from the body. There are many lymphatic diseases. We've chosen to go into two of them. The first one is lymphedema. It is also known as lymphatic obstruction. It results in severe swelling. Lymph builds up in soft tissues of the body, and it occurs when the lymph system is blocked or damaged. It is also common in arms or legs. It is common, and there are over 200,000 US cases annually. The second lymphatic disease is Castleman disease. It is a rare disease affecting lymph nodes and related tissues. It's an abnormal overgrowth of cells of the lymph system. It's similar to lymphomas, which is the cancer of lymph nodes. There are two types of Castleman disease. The first one is localized Castleman disease. It is the most common type of Castleman disease and affects a single group of lymph nodes. The second one is multicentric Castleman disease. It affects multiple groups of lymph nodes and is much rarer. It is also common among people who have HIV. And here are the references for this presentation. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel down below.